In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from PayPal account to your bank account. Okay, actually on PayPal, money transfer from PayPal account to your bank account will be automatically done at the end of the day you receive the money. So you don't need to transfer money from PayPal account to your bank account. It's automatic process. But this is the first time you receive money means you need to do these two things. First, you need to verify your bank account. Second, upload and verify your photo ID. For this, I made a step-by-step detailed video about this. Watch this video, link in the description. And after you set up these two things, when you receive money, at the same time it will be automatically transferred to your primary bank account. Then bank will process that and credit it on your bank account. This is the complete payment cycle of PayPal. Yeah, that's it. I hope this video helps. If you feel it helps, subscribe and leave a like, then share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.